This guy had been beaten and bruised. Yeah, he made bad decisions, and there's no excuse for that. But just when he needed help, the priest was walking by and said, I don't want anything to do with you. And the next person that called was the Levite and said, I don't want anything to do with you. But you know the person that gladly welcomed him back? His old drug dealer. That's just the reality. If we're not careful as a church, we will get so self-righteous. Our heartbeat as a fellowship needs to be to restore those that fall, to restore those that waver.